Dear viewers, simple equations look easy, but they are one of the biggest sources of careless mistakes. So in this video, I will show you three biggest mistakes that cost many marks and how to avoid them. Stay with us. Number one, we move terms without changing the sign. For example, x plus 7 is equal to 15. So if I write x is equal to 7 plus 15, that is equal to 22, it's wrong. Why? Because I've moved 7 to the other side of the equal sign, but I didn't change the sign. I didn't change the sign of 7. So we have to subtract 7 on both sides in order to move it. X plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 15 minus 7. So 7 here is cancelled, plus 7 is cancelled by minus 7, so x is equal to 8. So don't think of it as moving, that we are moving 7 on the other side. This is only a trick. We usually think that we are moving. Actually, it's not moving. Think of it as performing the same operation on both sides of the equation. This is important. So don't think that you're moving 7 from one side to the other side. Just think that you're doing the same operation on both sides of the equation. Number two, we forget to divide the entire side. For example, 5x is equal to 40. So it's wrong that if I write x is equal to 40 minus 5, it's wrong. We can divide both sides by 5, like this, 5x over 5 and 40 over 5. So 5 over 5 is 1, becomes 1 times x is x, and 40 divided by 5 is 8. So ask yourself, what operation is attached to the variable? What operation is attached to the variable? If multiplication is attached, then divide it. If addition is attached, if division is attached with the x, then multiply. For example, here if x over 5 is 40, so here you will multiply because 5 is divided, so you will multiply. You will do the inverse. Multiply 5 on both sides to get the value of x. Okay, and the next one is that we don't check the answer. For example, 2x minus 3 is equal to 11, and 2x is equal to 11 plus 3 is 40. Okay, so dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 7. Now it's time to check. If we check 2 into 7 minus 3 is equal to 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. So 10-second check can save full marks in an exam. Thank you for being with us, and contact me on preply.com for further guidance. Bye.